In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Webflow email. Now, the first thing you want to do on the dashboard, you want to click on the account at the very top right, and then click on Account Settings. Inside here, you can see the second tab on the left. It's going to say Email and Notifications. Click on this one. And then over here, it says New Email Address. So this is going to be your current email address, but in here you can just type in whatever you want it to be. So for example, just some random email address you would like to change to. And then over here it says changing emails may require a password reset if your new email does not have a Google sign-in. So this is very important. After you're done, you've typed in your new email, click on sign in with Google over here to basically authenticate with Google. And then after you've done this, you can click on save. And then of course, as it says over here, you may be required to actually reset your password in case you don't have a Google sign-in within your new email. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.